In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open SVG files directly inside Paint.net, a handy skill that will streamline your workflow if you're accustomed to working with vector graphics. Let's get started with a simple process involving the installation of a plugin. First, you'll need to download the SVG plugin. Start by visiting the Paint.net plugin index on the Paint.net forum. This is a fantastic resource for plugins that extend the functionality of your software. Look for the SVG file type plugin. Simon Brown's plugin or the one available in DPY's plugin pack are popular choices. Once you find it, download the .zip file. This file contains everything you need to get started with importing SVG files into your Paint.net environment. Now that you have your .zip file, it's time to extract and install the plugin. Begin by extracting the contents. You'll find one or more .dll files inside the archive. These dynamic link library files contain the code that enables Paint.net to understand and render SVG files. Next, you'll need to copy these .dll files. Depending on your version of Paint.net, the destination folder will vary. If you're using the classic installer version of Paint.net, navigate to your local drive and find C or Program Files, Paint.net plus file types. Simply paste the .dll files into this folder. However, if you're using the Microsoft Store version, you'll need to place these files into a different location. Go to Documents Paint.net, App Files File Types, and paste them there. The next step is crucial. Restart Paint.net. If you have the application open, close it now and then launch it again. This restart ensures that Paint.net recognizes the new plugin and is ready to use it. Without this step, the plugin won't be activated and your efforts will be in vain. Now you're all set to open your SVG file in Paint.net. Head over to the File menu and click on Open. Look for your .svg file in the browser window that pops up. Once you select it, the plugin kicks into action. It will render the SVG file as a raster image right onto your canvas, ready for any editing you need to do. Installing this SVG plugin into Paint.net expands your creative possibilities by allowing easier integration of vector graphics into your projects. With these simple steps, you can seamlessly open and manipulate SVG files to enhance your work. This addition primes Paint.net to better suit a variety of graphic needs, especially where vector images are concerned. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you unlock a new suite of possibilities with Paint.net.